This is going to be a really quick product review of the Don Lee Farms Harvest Blend. Notice that, Harvest Blend Veggie Burger. Now this is the important thing, and that's why I'm doing this video, because most people have no idea about the difference. Harvest Blend Veggie Burgers were being carried at COSTCO for a long time in the freezer section. They are a freezer item, and I have not seen them in the freezer section in a long time. What they are carrying right now, and I didn't notice at the time I bought something that was in the refrigerator section, and it turns out it is the Don Lee Farms, but it's called the Veggie Burger, but it's made out of sweet potato and something else. They taste nasty. I bought a bunch of them, and after a while I just said, something's not right here. And then I was over at the COSTCO Business Center, which I love to go to, and I bought this, and I took it home, and I went, wait a minute, these smell like egg rolls, and they do. They have a really unusual smell, and it's kind of like an egg roll. Oh, what do I hear? I came in here to say hi to everybody, because we're doing a little video. Hi, little sweetie pie. Oh, look at you. I love you. Yep, there are my shoes. Notice my professional recording over here. Video. This smells like egg rolls. It's got a very unusual smell, but it has a really neat taste to it. They are good. Mushrooms, organic veggies, and organic cheese. So, I'm going to look at the label in a minute. Free, what are they free of? Free of artificial ingredients, USDA organic. I don't know if these are vegan. Are these vegan? They say veggie. Place, what's in it? Ingredient, organic mushrooms, organic brown rice, water, vegetables, carrots, celery, wheat, soybean oil. I wish there was no soybean oil. Oats, organic white cheddar, so it does have cheese. I'd prefer to stay away from cheese. Organic, pasteurized, organic milk. I'd prefer, so this is definitely not vegan because it has cheese in it, it has milk in it. It has cheese cultures, sea salt, organic bell peppers, onion powder, sea salt, garlic. Contains wheat and milk. Okay, so this is definitely not vegan. It does have cheese, it does have milk. And that's unfortunate that they put that in there. I don't know why they put that in there, but I am vegan to a point. I guess in this case, I am not 100% vegan. Some things I eat because you can't, it's hard to live on just a 100% vegan diet. So, what do we have here? 170 calories, not that bad. 7 grams of fat, yeah, that's okay. A lot of sodium, a lot of carbs, a heck of a lot of carbs. Very low sugar. Protein, medium. Okay, so, overall, if you want to eat something that's delicious and that is, because you can't live on tofu for the rest of your life, you go out of your mind. So this is, the amount of cheese and the amount of milk that you're getting in here is minimal, as long as you're watching your diet. If you're vegan and you're watching your diet really carefully, this is not going to set you off that bad. So, why am I doing the video? Check what you're buying. Harvest Blend is different than the sweet potato that they're selling. Check this out, see if they have it in the freezer section. If they don't, ask them to get it because they used to carry it, or go down to the business center where they are carrying this. The sweet potato one that they're carrying in the refrigerator section, they sell it in a package of 12, 6 in one column, 6 in another. Really not that good. Let me get you the item number if I can find it. If you like my videos, give a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. 16 burgers here. That's the item number, 1007-800, 1007-800. If you can't find them, ask them to carry them again in your store, or go see if you can find them in another store. These are 100% better than the sweet potato things. I think you're going to like it. Check out my other channel videos that I posted. I got some really cool stuff on losing weight and cooking Chinese food, veggie style and vegan style or whatever it is. So, hey, stay healthy, be well, and donate to my PayPal or click on my affiliate links in my video description for Amazon if you shop there. Thank you. Bye. And this little lady says, I love you. I love you. love you. Bum boo doo 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 doo.